Look. Okay. Open your eyes. Look at mama. Sarah, put your hand on the pillow, on the orange pillow. Put your hand on it. Tyler, put your hand on the green pillow. There's something under it. So you're gonna, whatever is under your pillow is for you. And whatever is under your pillow is for you. Lift. Sarah, lift up the pillow. Lift up the pillow.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. How's this tablet work?
So why you leave mama alone say thank you? You don't see papa?
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Where to start this morning? Where to start? Start in my black and white, that's for sure. Anyway, you guys, today is a chilly day. My fingers are numb from dropping my kids to school this morning. But it's a beautiful day nonetheless. I went and bring my kids to school. I got some workout in this morning. Baby's off to work. Everybody's in their respective places, and I am home about to hit my code Delaveaus. That's the road code book, and carry on with my day. So I'm just coming on to tell you guys hello and how are you guys doing. Hopefully you guys will have a good day. Whatever it is that you set out to do today, do it with intention. That's the word of today, intention. Be intentional. Anyway, have a good day. Subscribe to the fam bam if it's your first time. Catch up and keep up. You guys won't see the kids until they get home from school, so just stick and stay with me until they get back and my husband get back. So love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today because I'm about to go get busy, shawty. Wait on what? Say good morning to the faves.
What?
You going to school?
Yeah.
Your mama to carry you?
Yeah.
You see him out? Come. Your hand is freezing. Say good morning to the faves. Put your hand in your pocket.
How I can do this?
Okay. Ready to go have a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna be
That.
and be
Good. Brave.
and be
Brave.
and what else?
I feel kind.
And what else?
I feel kind.
Good job. Good girl. You're gonna eat up all your lunch at canteen. Come on, put it away. You're gonna eat up all the lunch at canteen. Hold on. School, she want me to carry her. You see her? You don't want to. You don't want to walk. You want mama to carry you?
Yeah.
Huh? Ah, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Papa is on the way with us this morning. Off to school we go. So, I'm back. I've been on my little grind, on my little mission, but I hear the worms protested in my stomach and I can't take it no more. Hunger. 5 minutes before 12. I could hold out a little bit longer, but I decided, you know what, girl? Let's find some lunch. First meal of the day. I haven't showed you guys what I've been eating in a long time, but guess what? My plate is always boring because I always eat the same things. I just keep rotating it. But anyway, today I'm having sausages and omelets, a little lettuce, a little green beans, and tomatoes. Plate of champions. am I doing this? Anyway, you guys, that's what I'm having for lunch, brunch, and I'm gonna go eat. See you guys later. Hi you guys, I left the house to go to my auto école, my driving school, to sit in and do some of the tests there to see the similarities between what I'm doing online and the questions that they have here. And I find that a lot of the questions are similar, but some of them I don't know. So I like that I took the time to come so I can get familiar with these questions. That is the first that I'm hearing them in this structure and this kind of explanation. So I came and I did one exam and now one practice exam. When I say exam, that's what I mean, practice. So my score are slowly improving, so I'm happy about that. But the thing is, the questions that I have online, and that's the same connection, and the questions that they have here, the structure are a little bit different. So the more I can come here, the better it is, so that I get familiar with new words if there's some, and I get familiar with the questions here, so that when I'm ready to do the official exam, I'm not too surprised about something. So I'm heading back home. I'm just gonna walk home, enjoy the sunset as it happens, and then I go pick my kids up from school. Yeah, shawty, how you guys doing? And just like that, I am back home. Look at my nose, it's so red from the cold. You guys, I am back home just in time to head back out to go and pick up my kids from school. And I am not cooking today. You know why? I cooked so much food yesterday. I'm not cooking today. So I have rice left over, I have fish left over, and I have meatball left over. And I'm just having one of my blah days where I just feel like I just want to lay down and sleep. I just feel blah today. I'm not upbeat. Yeah, I know why though. Don't worry about it. I know why. When you know why, then it's better than when you don't know why. But I'm having one of my days, and that's okay to have those days. It's not every day you're gonna be bubbly and upbeat and everything positive. We all have our days. We're all humans. So I know you guys have can relate as much as how I'm feeling. But I'll snap back as soon as possible. But anyway, I don't have any veggies in the fridge. I am not making any because, like I said, I don't feel like cook, and I will not be making any. So everybody's just gonna eat what's here, and that's what it's gonna be. So I'm gonna go for my wonderful babies, and hopefully they can come home and brighten my face and snap me out of this mood. So let's go for my babies. All right, so there goes dinner. Pretty boring and dry, but it is what it is today, shorty. Not every day we're gonna have beauty, okay? And look who is home. Say hello, babies. Say hello.
That one. Why does like a bottom?
Why is it like a bottom?
Yes, it looks like a watermelon now.
It look like a watermelon or look like a bottom? Make up your mind. Which one? Which one does it look like? A watermelon or a bottom? He have the end of the sausage, so he say look like a bottom.
This looks like a bottom, and when I put these two, it looks like a watermelon.
Yes, Sarah, they're seeing you. You want to see them?
Yeah.
Okay, look. Ta-da!
Hi. Hi. Or it looks like the bread of the hamburger.
Oh. Make up your mind. Which one? Right now, you're not really so sure. Anyway, you guys, grub time.
What grub time you mean?
Grub time.
What is grub?
Grub mean to eat, but you don't use that word, okay?
Okay.
So I told you guys a few days ago that we're going on vacation. I'm talking low because I don't want the kids to hear. So we have a surprise for the kids. Sarah's tablet is blocking out, hardly can see the screen. Tyler's tablet broke a few years ago, so Tyler doesn't own a tablet. So because we're going on this vacation, we decided that we're gonna get them 2 new tablets because they're gonna need something to keep them occupied. So the hint for today, for you guys to figure out where we're going, is a long trip. That's the hint. That's all you guys get it today. It's a long travel. So because we're doing a long travel, we decided to get the kids 2 tablets. But they don't know it's a surprise. So I'm gonna surprise them with it right now and see their reaction. So here we go. What I'm gonna do is hide each tablet under one cushion and then tell them to lift up the cushion and see their face. So here we go. I'm gonna call them. Tyler, Sarah, come here. Where's the socks? Come.
It's a surprise?
Yes. Oh, you know it's a surprise.
I guessed it.
Okay, stand right there. Sarah, put down Pepper and stand up. No, come. You come. Stand here. Put your hand over your eye. Sarah, come. Put down Pepper. Come, put down Pepper. Come. You stand right here. Okay? Look. Okay. Open your eyes. Look at Mama. Sarah, put your hand on the pillow, on the orange pillow. Put your hand on it. Tyler, put your hand on the green pillow. There's something under it. So you're gonna, whatever is under your pillow is for you. And whatever is under your pillow is for you. Lift. Sarah, lift up the pillow. Lift up the pillow.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. How's this tablet work?
So why you leave Mama alone say thank you? You don't see Papa?
Thank you, Papa.
Don't turn it on yet. We have to program them first. Sorry, you got a new tablet.
Yeah. How many tablets? Third, fourth.
And it's gonna be the last one. Okay. Now give them back to Mama. Give it to Mama.
I want to watch football scenes.
Give it to Mama. Mama have to program it first, so you'll get them tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
It's for vacation.
So
You happy?
I also have my Nintendo.
Yeah. So you have more than one things to play with. Mama and Papa don't get any hugs and kisses? I don't understand. Hugs and kisses to Papa and Mama? I'll program them later.
Can I program them with you?
No, you're going to your bed. Alright, you guys, so we give them the tablet. They know that it's here. We just need to program them before they can start playing with it. So the hint for today is long travel. Anyways, honey, I'm ending today's vlog.
What's up, one people? The hint for today is a long travel. Why you laugh?
Because I hear that how many times when you're repeating.
Oh, you said the same in the night?
You didn't hear me say that?
No.
Of course you hear it. Too funny.
Press the buzzer a long time ago. Anyway, you ready? You know the answer? Press the buzzer. Yeah. No, that doesn't mean I'm in the good. How's your day? Your day was
My
good?
day was weird. No.
Guys, today I didn't know about it. I'm gonna watch the news. There was a big strike everywhere in France. They want to change the retirement system. And people were in the street and protesting and doing all of the things like French people are famous for strike. They are very famous for wild strike. Disorganizing, breaking everything. Terrible, terrible. I remember I saw a documentary about Italian and people in Italian doing strike and they were complaining. They said, it's you. They were complaining saying it's you French people that teach them how to strike that bad. Well, tu go to bed. Ok, tu as fait la douche?
Oui.
Ok, tu es
Go
prêt à
put on
dormir?
your socks.
Go put on your socks right now.
Sarah, I'm gonna show her what's in bed.
3, go. Socks.
Bedtime, chop chop. Here, boo, here, boo, here, boo. Clap, 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 clap. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm going to go put them to bed right now. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.